We are giving away water pumps that fit on the top of a 2 to 5 gallon water bottle, the type that you put on a water cooler. So you must be a subscriber, you must have used our key phrase, and if you entered after this morning, sorry, you're not eligible. So let's go on to the drawing. We'll get to the rules, the other rules afterwards. Okay guys, if I can get this mouse to cooperate.
Yeah, it's a little sticky. I should have restarted it, but
There we go. Let's see who the first winner is. It's exciting. Carolina Beecher. All right. You might as well be our neighbor.
He's been with us a while on our show.
And if the water there is anything like the water at Carolina Beach, then yeah, you really could use this. All right, I'm going to pick the second winner. And that's a great comment that you left us. Thank you so much. So here's our second winner coming up. If I can, like I said, the mouse is not cooperating.
Yeah, it's a little jerky today.
There we go. Audrea Tadlock. All right, Audrea, congratulations again. I'm glad you won. I'm glad both of you guys won. I'm glad everybody entered. Let's go over here and get with the rest of the rules. Carolina Beecher and Audrea Tadlock, you guys have 7 days from today, and that would put it at October the 13th to get with us and send us your contact information and your mailing address. No P.O. boxes, please, because I'm going to ship these to you FedEx. Our email address to send your information is chefjohnthemarine@gmail.com. Going to be shipping these, like I said, FedEx. So if you get me, the quicker you get me the information, the quicker you're going to receive your prizes. Congratulations, you guys. I'm really happy. It's a Carolina kind of winning kind of day, so maybe that'll roll over to football too, you think?
All right, the winner's names will be down in the show more with my contact information, and it'll be scrolling at the end.
Yep. Make sure you come back next week for our latest, actually later today. Yeah. Oh, what am I thinking? We've got some really great prizes coming up, and these are really great. So come on back. Make sure you check out our cooking show, Cast Iron Skillet Kitchen.
And a lot of you have. We want to thank you.
Yes, thank you everybody. And share us. Hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do so that you can win maybe next time.
And we're going to start just doing this for US
and Canada only, because the shipping cost and just
not everything we're drop shipping, so
yeah.
We're just gonna do this somehow. All right, go check out the next video. We'll post right after this.
Bye.